Today I'm gonna show you how to using 𝗵𝗵 account and login chess also. So it's 𝗵𝗵 plus chess account. See 𝗵𝗵 number access. First copy 𝗵𝗵 user, then open browser and search on Google bar Outlook, then click here sign in, put email and copy password, sign in. Now open another tab and search 𝗵𝗵. As you can see, this is 𝗵𝗵 site. Click here and click web SMS login. Put 𝗵𝗵 user. So I am going notepad and copy 𝗵𝗵 mail and put. Now fill up CAPTCHA. Get verification code. So mistake 𝗬𝗏𝗧𝗴. You get 4-digit code in Outlook. See the last code 11:40 PM. So this one 4454. 𝗵𝗵 number site login successfully. Now you click verification, last one, then you follow notepad information. See 𝗧𝗴 number, search there 𝗧𝗴 and click search. You see yellow color, that's mean its number subscribe for 1 month. Click number, then next. You get receive code there. Now I am login chess account. So already tap open, copy user, then password, then sign in. Don't save. It is loading a little bit. It's still loading. Choose on, see the 𝗧𝗴 number, last digit 86, select on, then next. Then open 𝗵𝗵 site user, see the says signing with new device, code is this, copy code and put there, must remove space, then password, next, don't save. See bank account login successfully. So that's all for today. Follow my process. You can log in and use it. Thank you.